You're at your parts screen. You have up to 4 choices for a battery for a vehicle. What is right for the car? What's right for the customer? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
You're looking at the parts screen. You got 4 batteries that will fit the vehicle. What should you be looking at? The number one number you should be looking at is the cold cranking amps. The cold cranking amps is the amount of current a battery can provide at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The next number is the reserve capacity. The reserve capacity is a number that is specified for the battery under a certain amount of load for a certain amount of time. You could have a battery that has 90 minutes of reserve capacity, or you could have all the way up to 150 minutes of reserve capacity. Generally, the higher the number, the better the battery. When you're selecting a battery for a customer, make sure you really look at the requirements of the customer. Do they have a lot of electrical loads on the vehicle? Do they do a lot of cold weather driving? From this, you can really ascertain what type of battery they need. It may be an aggregated glass mat battery. It may be a high capacity battery with a higher number of cold cranking amps. When you do this, you can select the right battery for the customer. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.